Hi, I'm Matt Newsom. I work for Canonical as a developer in the IST department. We're responsible for doing the development of software that we use for our internal systems. And we, as one of our projects, manage login.ubuntu.com. It's a single sign-in service. It is used throughout the Ubuntu world to log into a variety of sites. And as an experimental project, we are investigating two-factor authentication using a service called Yubi Key. And you get this little key in the mail, and on top of it is a button, and when you plug it into your computer you can press the button to get a one-time passphrase to log you into the website. And again, this is an experimental service because we think it's an interesting idea, but we just need to see if it's really going to improve the way our systems work. As a front-end web developer, one of my responsibilities is to make sure the applications we use are easy and logical and make sense as far as the user interface is concerned. I'm not an artist, as you'll see in a minute, but I just wanted to show you kind of how this system works. As you see now on login.ubuntu.com, you just log in with an email address and password. Yubi Key adds a little bit of extra capabilities. With Yubi Key, you can choose to use this text field, and when you press the button on your key, which I'm going to do right now, you see a string of what looks like random characters entered again. And because this is a valid key, it works, and you can find out interesting details about your key. But I just don't really like the interface here. I mean, what's the purpose in seeing all of these characters slide by as you log in? It just doesn't seem to be helpful for the user, and it looks kind of confusing, and it also requires the user to do some things, for example, to click the field. I thought, how can we make this better? So I made some changes. Oh, gonna give away the good stuff here. When you log in, you enter your email address and password like you're used to, and then you come to the second factor step. And at this point, you're prompted to you'll be given an image, hopefully a lot nicer looking than this one in the end result. And when you press the button like the image instructs you to, instead of seeing characters, you see a progress bar. Now this is not complete. Some of the other developers are still working on the functionality, whereas I'm just responsible for the flow of the user interface. You can see that it's much nicer. There's a progress bar instead of a string of characters, and the form auto submits. And there you go. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Do you like this user interface? Of course, again, once we get a little bit more artistic talent involved. Would you prefer to see the string of characters rush by when you push the button? Can you think of something better? I would really love to hear about it. Thanks a lot.